Kind of pointing in the general direction because it's such a wide view, you know.
Okay.
Kind of get back, so I'm going.
Yeah, that's weird. There's no viewfinder.
Yeah, I know, it's weird, eh? Well, it'd be on my phone, but I put my phone in the car. I didn't want to get wet. Isn't that weird how the rope just kind of like...
Yeah, that was a good throw off to the side. I kind of went down the middle already. Little magnetic rocks.
I'll clean it off for you. I bet they have iron oxide in them. Here you go.
Okay.
Trade you.
I'm going to try to the right.
Don't hit the pole. Steel. Me and Bill just found a pair of glasses. Night fishing didn't do very much. Oh, and there's a, it might be like a spring. That is amazing.
It is. There's dripping water.
Oh, come on.
Oh, it's like quicksand.
Yeah. Oh, there go my boots. Yeah, it's like a little cave. It starts with a little clay cave. That's cool.
Yeah.
And that's just pretty hard. It's like rock.
It's dripping.
It's, oh, what kind of tree is that?
Oh,
It's kind of like the same one that was in my backyard. Not sassafras. Oh, well. Not box elder. Oh, and we found something amazing. We left it up there. A huge piece of glass from an old 1950s Roundy TV.
big, thick piece.
And so I figure...
It's amazing how much little creatures are in here. They're everywhere.
Well, that's a pretty high hill. Look at that. So that's actually like 30 feet there, going down to that little cave. That's pretty cool.
It's weird to think how the water gets so high, and now there's like hardly any here.
And over here, it's only like 5 or 6 feet. So it's really done some work cutting through there. You know, it looks almost like the creek wise off here.
Yeah. It's pretty dry up there.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go see over here. See what's over here. It's like a 4-foot incline here. Quite a lot of sand. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a little island there. Yeah, there's a lot of those trees here. Actually quite a sizable island.
It is.
Never knew that was here. You want to keep going or go back and try the other creek?
Yeah, I'm already starting to get sweaty.
Yep, I know. Let's go back this way. I thought it was going to be a bit deeper this time, honestly.
Well, it has been hotter than hell.
Oh, there's another entrance over here. Another creek.
Oh, yeah.
That's kind of cool looking. It's like runoff from a... Well, I don't know. Yeah, it's not too big.
Just like a little runoff area here.
Yeah. The culmination of several fields, most likely.
Deer tracks.
Raccoon or whatever. What is that stuff up there? Something living up there?
Oh.
It's like dirt that's been matted down or what? This tree's about to fall on us. Oh well. Oh.
Something jumping.
Big frog. Nope, regular vines. Okay.
Oh, I cleared all the cobwebs.
Yeah. Well, I got the other 2 cobwebs. It's your turn, I guess. Oh, hey, maybe I should fill my boots. My feet aren't burning up. So, looks like someone's been eating up this, oh yeah, there's like mushrooms growing through it.
What's probably
Tons of
those
bugs.
bees, huh?
Yeah, maybe. Well, no, it's bugs. The big mushrooms and stuff.
Termites?
Oh, wow. You can actually see the spores coming out. You see it? Looks like fire.
What, right there?
Yeah. Here, tap it.
I don't want to touch it.
Okay, I'll do it. It looked like dust coming off. That was amazing. There you go.
This one has hind legs. You can see
Yeah.
the hind legs are forming. He's just sitting there.
There's tons of these frogs. We have frogs in our basement, but they don't mind us because they're so used to us. They just kind of sit there, and
They probably like it because it's nice and cool down there.
yeah, and whenever and they like that the sump area always has water.
There's some more big ones.
Yeah, bunch there. And those ones don't have hind legs yet.
Oh, you're right on top of one.
Whoa, he was trying to play chicken with me. I get pretty deep there. Yeah, so me and I can't remember which friend it was. We went up there and whole bunch of insulators and stuff up there on the side of the road or side of the train tracks. This is that railroad bridge. It's about falling apart. They just never keep things up, you know?
What is this? Like some aluminum siding or something?
Yeah.
It's weird how stuff ends up.
You notice they work on the part so they can see, though. They work on that. They added a big beam to keep the side from falling off. But they don't work on the bottom that's holding up everything with the beam. When me and Bill first came through here, there was some really big fish in the little area there.
Water's nice and clear before you step through it.
Yeah.
Hey!
Hey, that fell off, looks like. This is the concrete
Yeah, big chunk.
from somewhere. Well, pretty much all the sides are falling off.
What's the white coming out of it?
That would be minerals coming out, like dissolved salts or something. The same thing that's like, flowstone, I guess would be. That's my theory, at least. Yeah, I think this is like 1920s or so. I'm not sure. Should probably do an actual good video on it sometime.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Just crumbly though.
I'd love to restore it and then like have a house on the upper part of it, like above the floodwater. That'd be funny. Imagine having like a building suspended underneath a bridge. Who would notice?
Yeah, with the beams going across, and then that's the
Yeah.
house with the curved roof.
Because this whole bridge is like 4 stories. So you have 2 stories up on the top. Well, as long as it doesn't fall down and kill you. Oh, look at that side. It's all about to crumble off. Wouldn't want to be down here when that happens.
Right there. You see like the gap in between
Yeah.
that outer layer, like all that. Geez, you wouldn't want to be standing there when
No.
that thing done.
How about this piece of steel as a part of the railroad? And then again, there's a lot of things like ovens and such down here, so you never know.
What was that? Wagon wheel.
A wagon wheel. That's down there. Found a wagon wheel with some wood still on it. I think you need probably a bed frame about.
Oh yeah, I seen that on the way through.
This might be a. I think,
This is a wagon wheel thing.
I think this is an oven. Oh yeah, the wagon wheel.
It's
pretty-
still got like wood on it.
Mhm.
You can tell where like the spokes would be.
Yeah, kind of funny.
Not a huge one, but
had bolts on it, so that might be something different. I don't know. That might be something like a brake thing or something.
oh,
Where was that big thing that looked like a air con? Oh, here it is. No. Where is that thing that looked like an air conditioner?
something. Yeah, I think that's up. Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, with that big piece of CRT glass.
Here's all the orange water.
Yeah. So there's this down here. I do not know what that is. Looks almost like an air conditioner. Oh, it's not moving. Yeah.
Where's all the orange water from?
Rust. Evidently, there's a type of bacteria that feeds off of iron, and so it's actually a bacteria that's like not related to the sun cycle. You know. Oh, here, could you take the camera and film me? Just don't cover over the microphone on that side. So this is glass from a CRT. I saw this and I thought, could it be? No, it can't be. But it's curved. And then the telltale sign, as you can still see, it was a color television. I wonder how close you can get to that. Like, I'll show some pictures of it later. But you can see the not the pixels, but the dots that were the phosphor colors. So this is like a 1960s, 1950s.
Put it on edge so we can see how thick it is. Look how thick
Yeah.
that is.
It's pretty cool.
That is a chunk of glass.
Such a shame I can never find these things whole, but you know, like for this, I'll keep it because it's kind of cool. And there might be leaded glass. Maybe I could like fend off radiation with it or something. Although I think this is from an era whenever people were just getting cancer instead of putting lead in their sets. We're here at the car, but we're just going to go a little further, see if there's anything interesting on the big creek. But it's getting a bit hot, so we might call the video early.
Getting a bit buggy too.
Yeah.
Well, let's just go a little ways and see what.
Well, it's just right up here.
Oh, it doesn't go very far?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is the where. Oh, hey. Huh. What is that? Is that the back like a hitch to something? Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Birds are angry that we're here. Yeah, so I think they dredged this, so it's pretty deep. So that'd be a good place to have a burrow boat. Well, cutting through the tree maybe.
Wow.
Yeah, look at that.
The water's really moving here.
Yeah, it moves pretty good. Enough to knock you over sometimes.
Oh yeah, you can just feel it. They say you can get knocked over in just a few inches of water if it's running.
Yeah, you can. But most of the time it's people that don't know how to walk in water.
Oh, I know that bridge.
Yeah, we might have fished down here. If only we got video of that, but oh well. That was before we went out to the lake. We didn't find anything, that's why we didn't film. Look at that water, it's going pretty quick. Look at all the birds over there going insane.
This looks like the main path, and then when it gets high enough, it then goes down that
Yeah,
way.
that's what I was saying. That's more like a runoff thing that like that CRT might have actually been from Hillsboro, and then the rainwater might have pushed it back up there.
Yeah. It's
Because
just that it's so low right now.
yeah, this is a fairly normal amount.
She is running good here.
This is where we found that old CRT, that other CRT, remember? Oh my God, it's a color one.
A color one.
Yeah.
How can you tell the difference between black and white and color?
Black and white is single phosphor. Color has the phosphors etched into them. How the hell it wound up in the creek, I don't know, but
And it's not busted.
no, it's good.
Oh, wow.
It's like one from an arcade machine. Actually, we could tell. No, it's not one from an arcade machine, but oh well. Someone must have taken it apart, and all the pins are there. So.
Yeah, somebody must have been trying to do something
And
with
that's
it.
been in there for a while because the metal's all rusted away, but the yoke coils are still there. so it should be good. You know what? I might have a TV that uses that. And you'll set it face down.
Wow, they're actually kind of heavy, aren't
Yeah,
they,
yeah.
for such a small thing?
I have tube testers, and I also have a bunch of TVs. I bet I could just take a TV and plug it in and
I'm
see if it works.
surprised it made it that far without getting broke.
Yeah.
You know?
That was a deep one.
Yeah, some of the bottoms are just so soft.
This might be too deep to get through.
Wow, look at the bird.
I know, they're insane.
Did we just scare them away?
No, they're just kind of going around.
Are they nesting?
Yeah, they're barn swallows. Look at that. Let's come and get closer and see if we can get them used to us. Watch out for the poison ivy.
Oh yeah. Making their nest.
You know, this has actually gotten really deep.
Yeah, I'm kind of afraid to step in where you can't see
Yeah,
because you don't know.
what's down there?
Could be a big crocodile down there.
I don't know about that. Someone is out here partying. There's a bunch of McDonald's and beer up there, or unless that was just, I don't know, part of an old refrigerator.
Something, because that's like pot metal or
It's
something.
like zinc.
Zinc or something. Yeah, that's
Oh,
not.
that's fucking hot. Maybe we should talk to a tractor.
Oh, wait a minute. Did I see a word?
It might be.
Or was I?
Nah, it's just rust. Let's get out of the sun. It's heating up too much. You want to call it there?
Let's go up there. I'm burning up.
Yep, I'm burning up too. But it was fun while it lasted. That's a neat log. I bet we could cut that up and get some cool stuff out of there.
Oh yeah.
To think that thing moved down here in a flood.
Yeah, all that weight.
Yeah.
Oh, you cut that in half. That might be,
Quite a bit of stuff.
or it might just be done.
Oh, a bunch of fireworks in that thing over there. Someone was having a party down here. Whole big,
Oh hey, what's
Box
over
of 'em.
here?
Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching. See ya.
By the house the other way.
Oh, wow, yeah. Oh, shit, that is a lot.
Yeah. all
Watch out for
kinds
the
of it.
poison ivy.
Is it? I may
Yeah.
have touched it.
There you go, wash off. A bit of water wiping yourself off will help stop it. An old road sign. Yep, just wipe off your arms and that'll be good.